welcome to one more of our videos. This is the Tracy's Life Expression. Guys, we have an announcement to make. You want to make the announcement?
No, just guys, just tell them they're going to change it too.
Guys, we're going to change our channel's name.
Team Tracy.
The Team Tracy. Reason for that, the Team Tracy is shorter than the Tracy's Life Expression, and it's much easier to like type.
Fine, yeah.
Yeah. So instead of typing out this long name, you just type Team Tracy.
Definitely.
So guys,
Look forward to that.
this video you only see me. Yes, you only see me in this video, okay? No husband, no children, just me. So guys, I want to show you some of the things that we bought over the couple months, years ago at the dollar store. Yes, we shop at the dollar store for home decor, cleaning, supply, party stuff, books, art and craft, and everything. The dollar store that we shop sells a little of everything. This is a Dollarama haul. That's what them call it, yeah. Dollarama haul. So guys, to be honest, some things are really expensive and cost of living is high. So we always try our best to live in our means and trying to spend too much because we're not rich. Yeah, and we have to be smart and we have kids. So I want to show you guys one of the first thing that my husband bought at the dollar store. Wasn't me, him. And is this painting here.
Three of them.
It's three of them. He bought three.
Two looking like.
Yeah, two of this one and one of this one, and we put them together on the wall for a nice decor. We love earth tone colors. We're brown people, so yeah.
And really, we're going to show them an example how it looks on the wall when we put them together.
Yeah.
Cheap pictures, but when you will never know them cheap.
Yeah. Yes, come on to my video. We bought this during the Christmas time as well to put in our kitchen. We paid just $3 for this, and believe me, if you go like on another place like Amazon or somewhere else to purchase something like this, you might spend more money. Big up to Amazon. I shop with Amazon too. So guys, yeah, we bought this at the dollar store, and you look behind me, there are two paintings. Let me bring up the camera. Look at that. Yeah, we bought the products at the dollar store as well. We bought the canvas, the paint, and everything that you see. I did this myself, so if you want to do your own art and craft, do it yourself art and craft, you can go to the dollar store and buy your products. So if you're coming to Canada or you're living in Canada and you're wondering where can I get cheap looking things that looking good, cheap stuff that are looking good that can use in your home, you can go to the dollar store. Yeah, so this is one of my paintings as well. Everything here is from the dollar store. So this is just a regular picture frame, and the board that is inside, I just paint over it. And see, look, dollar store. My husband, I bring every painting. I don't know what's wrong with him. This too, dollar store. Yes, Kenton. My husband, I bring all of the painting them. All the painting them I can call give me. You can one more?
No.
Yes, so everything that you need is at the dollar store. Also, they have some nice little signs as well. Never give up. Very nice. Words are powerful, and hang them in your home is a good thing. So we put this in our kitchen. You can put it anywhere you want. In the bathroom, in the kitchen, in your living area. And then this one, I love this one. Season everything with love. This is perfect for my kitchen. because that's where the cooking goes down and we season things there. Yeah, so we season all our food in the kitchen, so this is a perfect place to put this sign. Season everything with love, right? That's not the Dollarama, guys. We got this at the Dollarama. Yeah, the Dollarama, we got this as well. Yes, this is a nice little plant, fake plant. It look nice though, with a nice little vase, plant, pot or whatever this is. Yeah, I'm not good with names. And then my husband is bringing another one. See? Dollar store. And then I want to show you this one. This is another one too. We bought this frame at the dollar store. I like the color and the shape, guys. Look at it. And we put our wedding photo inside of it. We have this nice black and white photo, and I think it will go perfect with this one. So yes. So guys, also I want to show you the mats. Oh, sorry about the noise. These table mats, I got them at the Dollarama. There's a little of everything there, because sometimes I like to decorate the apartment, and these things are so expensive. And honestly, I really like to get these things, but realistically, I can't buy them because they're so expensive at these stores and online and all of that. So why not go to the dollar store? Use your hand, make fashion. Use your hand, turn fashion. You get what I'm saying? Yeah. So these got these at the dollar store. Also, I want to show you guys. So guys, I want to show you one thing that something that I did the other day. A decorating idea. So I bought this at a second-hand store, a thrift store. Yes, and I make a centerpiece with it. So what I did, I'm gonna show you. So I take this. My husband is gonna video. So I take this and I put this on it, and then I put this plant there. And you have a nice little centerpiece. The color and everything is blending together. Yeah. So all the colors are working good together. You see what I'm saying? And everything here is the price, the price of, guys, my English is so perfect, you know. I customer, I trouble my husband, but that don't sound right. That don't sound right. So guys, everything here costs how much in total? So this is for like, I think I paid $4 for this. Mm-hmm. And this is for this is for what? The frame? Mm-hmm. The frame is for $2. I don't remember how much I paid.
That wasn't expensive. That was about that
$2 something.
It didn't pass $5.
This is like $10. $10. Okay. This is like $10, guys, in total. So guys, yes. So guys, whenever you're in Canada, or if you live in Canada, or if you live at any other dollar store, there's always something at the dollar store, especially the one that I shop. There's always something that I can get to decorate my home. They sell bread, they sell food items.
Batch, everything.
Everything. You can get a little of everything.
Garden product,
yeah.
Garden thing.
Garbage bags,
glass, cup,
mirrors, frame, nice frames, yeah. Mats. That's where I shop. The Dollarama. So guys, if you like this video, please like it. Subscribe to our channel. Hit that notification bell for when we have more videos out. And guys, support our channel. We're on the road to 1,000. Show us some love. Okay? Show Team Tracy some love. We really need your support and your help so we can reach 1,000 subscribers. So guys, we need your help. Subscribe. And if you're always watching our videos and you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for, okay? So guys, can you want to say anything, honey, bunny?
Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. I'm here with my son.
I'm in the background, and my husband, even if I do one video, my husband has said something.
Sorry. Alright, big up. Just remember to subscribe. Support the Tracy people, the Team Tracy people.
Yeah, support our channel, guys. God bless you. Take care.